Footwork is a cornerstone for good dancing technique. It is incredibly important for all dancers, and especially beginners, to bring awareness into their feet and constantly work on improving the quality of the footwork. What's up, ballroom dancers? Alexei is here, and welcome to Ballroom with Alexei. Hello guys, hope you're all doing well. Let me tell you this, I'm super excited to share with you this footwork exercise because for real, our feet is the cornerstone, is the foundation of a good dancing technique. But yet, from my dancing experience, I found that our feet is the weakest point, especially for like amateur and pro-am dancers. So hopefully after this episode, you guys will be more inspired to work on your feet. So for the purpose of a demonstration, I will take the shoes off. Yes, but you guys totally can wear your dance shoes or practice shoes or whatever you are wearing right now. So we'll start with the warming up of our feet. And yes, so we'll do a little press forward on the ball, then on the toe, ball, together. Ball, toe, ball, together. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. So make sure that you're not rushing. Do every exercise very slow. So now we'll do butt mountain dew forward. So we move our leg forward. Make sure that the leg is engaged, that it's like a string of a guitar is in tension, right? So make sure that you're working all your muscles. Then you're lowering your heel down, moving it up, collecting. Moving your foot to the side, leg to the side, putting your heel down, up, together, back, and same. Woohoo! Be careful, do not crush anything. So put your heel down, up, and together, and one more time to the side. Heel down, up, together. Now everything with a different foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fantastic. So now we'll do releve exercise, which is rising up and going down. Make sure that you're paying attention to both, how you're going up and how you're lowering, because we're using our feet as a sending our weight and as a receiving of our weight. So when we're going up, we're practicing of sending, and when we're lowering, we're receiving our weight. So make sure that you're working on both, okay? So feet are together, now going up and down, up and down, up, work through it, and up and down. Very nice. So now we're going to go up, and then we will maintain this position up. We'll bend our knees while we're still standing on the toes. Then we're lowering our heels, and then we're straightening our knees. One more time. All the way up, bending knees, lowering heels, straight. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. So now we'll do reverse action. We'll go bending our knees first, lifting heels up, straightening knees. Yes, maintaining this opposition hold here for a little second, and then lowering to the starting position. And one more time. Down to the plie, up on the releve, straighten knee, holding for a second, and lowering slowly down. And last time, 1, 2, 3, whoops, and make sure that you're balancing and you're going down. I want to stress it one more time. Make sure that you're not doing it sloppy. Make sure that you're engaging your muscles. Make sure that you're going all the way up when you're going up. Do not stop halfway. Make sure that you're working maximum you can. Keep your ankles tight for better balance. And as well, pay attention to how you lower. Do not if you're wearing your dance shoes, make sure that there is no heel sound. Make sure that you're controlling the way you're lowering your heels. All right, guys, let's move on. So for the next exercise, we're going to start in the saddle position and we're going to get ready to make a step forward. So I'm settling my foot, I'm settling my weight into the left hip, my right foot is free, and I'm going to make step forward. I'm stopping in the split position, and now from this position, I'm going to work on my sending footwork. So I'm going to send my weight forward and back. One and back. Forward and back. Forward and back. And forward, right? So then I'm transferring my full weight and making step on my free left foot. Yes? So here, pay attention to how you're receiving your weight. Carefully place your foot down. Maintain your split weight position. And now pay attention to your saddle hip. So when you're gonna send your weight with the heel, you're not changing anything in your hip, right? So you just working with the foot. 1, 2, 1, 2. So when you hear from your teacher saying stay longer at your standing foot, that's what they mean. They mean that make sure that your hip is staying longer and you're working with your foot to transfer your weight forward. So that exercise potentially will help you with this. And pam, ba-bam, bam, ba-bam, pa-bam. All right, so then you saddle your hip. And now we're going to go back. So you're making step back, all right? And now our sending leg is the front foot. So I'm saddled here on my hip and I'm gonna lift weight back, lift the heel up and transfer weight back. 1, pam, and again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, saddle in the hip, and now I'm making step back on my left foot, and same action, right? I'm keeping my foot saddled, so I'm making step back, and the same idea. Entire leg right now is engaged, is in the super tone, and as I said, perfect analogy is the guitar string. It should make sound, ding, right? Not empty, not loose. And now I'm working entirely with my foot, making sure that my footwork moves aligned. Now that it not goes anywhere to the side. Up, down, and my hip is staying in the same position. I'm transferring my weight. 6, 7, and 8, and saddle. And the last part is we're going to move from side to side. So I'm making my step to the side in the same fashion. I'm saddling my hip first, making step, paying attention to how I receive my weight, finishing split weight position, exactly split weight. And now completing my transfer of the weight entirely with the foot work. Pam, 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 and settle. Yes. Now I move it to the left. For me, I'm transferring my weight, paying attention to how I'm receiving my weight. Finishing split weight. My hip is still settled. Now I'm sending my body to the side with the heel action. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So now let's do it one more time. I will do just kind of like non-stop without explanation. So you will have an order for your practice. So we start in the settle position and we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, side, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the exercise, guys. Alright guys, hopefully this exercise is going to be helpful for you. The main purpose of this video is to bring you awareness that we have to develop a good footwork in order to become a better dancer. So our balance will increase, our stability will increase, the hip action is actually dependent a lot on a good on a good footwork. So, and of course, if you warming up your feet before you dance, and you can use that exercise as a warming up exercise, you will definitely provide you from an injuries, okay, which is as well very important. Yes, we have to stay healthy. So guys, that's it from me. Let me know in the comment below what you think about this exercise. If you like this video, make sure that you press like and subscribe to my channel. Whoops, yes. And as well, if you do something else, let me know in the comment below what was helpful for you, what other exercise you use it, because it's always interesting to know what people are doing. Okay, thank you very much, and I will see you next Thursday. Bye bye.